Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the horizontal axis title in the Google Sheets app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Google Sheets app. Here it opens up like this. From here we just have to open up a sheet that we want to edit. And here inside the sheet we have the chart. We tap on the chart, then we tap on the pencil icon in the top right corner, and then tap on titles, and here we tap on horizontal axis title, and we can just set this to be number of day, for example, and yeah, you can see it's displayed like this here. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.